Yeah, dude.
Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania. Northwestern Lebanon County.
Okay, State College, what the heck?
Southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Colton to Leadville to Port Sheboygan, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Valley View, Pine Grove, Lycans, Tremont, Elizabethville, Williamstown, Tower City, Friedensburg, Lavelle, Forestville, Branchville, and Donaldson. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 90 to 117. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lebanon, and Schuylkill.